else is causing your responsibilities at home, your marital obligations, then I'll be left with no other choice than to stop you from working. I'm sure you heard me right.
You say? What did I just
say? You heard me clearly.
Really? My dear, you have no such rights. Listen to me. Before you married me, I made it clear to you from the get-go that my job is my life dream. I mean, my passion. And under no circumstances will I ever quit the job. So, listen to me. You quit tripping. Okay? Yes!
Did you tell me it was going to stop you from doing your job as a woman? What? Now listen to me and listen good. I am the head of this family and my words shall be obeyed to the last.
And what is that wife duty that I'm supposed to do?
As a wife, you're supposed to cook for your husband.
Oh.
Your husband's stomach should be the first thing ever.
I see. In that case, I will employ a cook.
Where? In my house?
Of course, in this house. You want food. I am going to employ a cook because I am sick and tired of going over this over and over again with you. If you're not tired, I am exhausted.
And who will be taking care of his or her salary?
I will take care of the salary.
Oh, that's it. That's just the point. Because you make money yourself. You no longer see yourself as a woman who should be under a man. Let me tell you, you are not employing any cook that will be cooking my meals. My wife will be cooking my food. You will be the one preparing my food. And I want that to sink in your head. Let it sink.
Fabian, what in the world is the color of your problems, if I may ask? Wait a minute. You're trying to take me back to your father's days? When women were subjected to different inhumanity? Hell no! We are in a different world right now, where women employ the help of a chef or cook to be helping out in their husband's houses. Okay? So you better wake up to realities or you remain in the olden days.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.